Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas-Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast, where we give homeowners simple steps to protect their plumbing systems and avoid expensive service calls. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we're talking about one of the most common reasons people call it DFW Plumber: hair clogs in bathroom drains. Whether it's a shower that slowly turns into a bathtub or a sink that drains like honey, hair buildup is one of the most predictable plumbing problems in any home. The good news? It's also one of the easiest to prevent. Let's start with the basics. Why do bathroom drains clog so easily? Bathroom drains deal with a perfect storm of clog-causing material: hair, soap scum, shaving cream, conditioners and oils, toothpaste, and hard water mineral deposits. When hair mixes with soap scum, it forms a sticky, rope-like sludge that catches more hair, which catches more soap, and so on. Over time, it becomes a dense plug inside the P-trap or the drain line. This is why even people who don't shed much hair still get clogs. The hair doesn't need to be visible for buildup to occur. Let's talk about how to prevent those clogs before they form. 1. Use a drain screen, the single most effective solution. A good drain screen catches hair before it enters the drain. There are stainless steel screens, silicone umbrella screens, and pop-in strainers designed specifically for showers and bathroom sinks. They cost just a few dollars and prevent 90% of hair-related clogs. For walk-in showers with large drain openings, choose a screen with fine mesh. For tub showers, choose a cover that fits inside or over the stopper opening. Cleaning the screen is simple. Remove the hair every few days and rinse it off. 2. Brush your hair before showering. This one sounds too simple, but it works incredibly well. Most loose hair comes off before you step into the shower. Brushing captures it before water carries it down the drain. 3. Keep soap scum under control. Hair is only half the problem. Soap scum is the glue that binds everything together. If your bathroom gets heavy soap buildup, especially from bar soap, your drains will clog faster. Switching to liquid soap reduces buildup. So does rinsing the walls and floors after each shower. 4. Run hot water for a few seconds after showers. Right after you shower, run the hot water for 10 to 15 seconds. The heat helps melt fresh soap residue and keeps it from cooling into a sticky film inside the drain. It's not a complete solution, but it helps slow buildup. 5. Clean the stopper assembly regularly. Sink pop-up stoppers catch hair long before it reaches the drain line. Pull the stopper straight up and inspect the rod-attached end. You'll usually find a mass of hair wrapped around it. Rinse it off, reinsert it, and make a habit of checking it once or twice a month. 6. Avoid chemical drain cleaners. This is worth repeating. Avoid chemical drain cleaners. They don't prevent clogs. They damage pipes, corrode metal components, weaken rubber seals, and often make the next clog worse. Many drain cleaners also crystallize inside P-traps, leading to future blockages. If you want something safe, use baking soda and vinegar occasionally. It doesn't clear tough clogs, but it does help loosen light buildup. 7. Know when to clean the trap. If your sink drains slowly even with a screen installed, the trap underneath may already contain years of hair and soap buildup. A plumber can remove the P-trap and clean it in a minute or two. Sometimes you can do it yourself, but if anything feels stuck or corroded, call a professional to avoid cracking the pipe. 8. Manage long hair differently. Homes with long-haired family members need extra protection. Consider larger mesh drain covers, cleaning screens daily, installing a secondary inline strainer under the tub or shower drain. Simply put, long hair overwhelms standard screens faster. How do you know when a clog is forming? Here are early warning signs: water pooling at your feet in the shower, a gurgling sound when the drain finally pulls down, foul odors from the drain, slow sink drainage, bubbling when water shuts off. These symptoms mean a clog is forming but not fully blocking the line yet. The perfect time for a quick clean out. When should you call a plumber? Contact at DFW Plumber if you notice repeated clogs even after cleaning the screen. Multiple drains slowing down at once. a shower that backs up into a tub or sink, standing water that won't drain, foul odors that don't go away, water overflowing from the drain. These are signs of deeper blockages, often inside the branch line or main stack. Let's recap. Hair plus soap scum equals the classic bathroom clog. Screens prevent 90% of hair-related backups. Brush before showering. Rinse with hot water briefly after showers. Clean stoppers and strainers often. Avoid chemical drain cleaners. Call a plumber if multiple fixtures slow down. A little prevention goes a long way. With a few simple habits, you can keep your bathroom drains flowing freely and avoid those frustrating slow drain mornings. If you ever need professional drain cleaning or help removing a stubborn clog, visit dfwplumber.com to connect with a trusted plumber in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Thanks for listening to the dfwplumber.com podcast. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.